Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Putra Pratama. And this time, I will explain about simple present tense. Next. Understanding simple present tense. Simple present tense is the tense used when an event is taking place at this time or an event that occurs repeatedly habit. These tenses are the tenses most often used in English. Formula. To form this sentence, we usually ask the roof from verb or verb 1, except for third person pronouns. Use verb 1 plus s or es, as shown in the table below. Subject, Ayu Dewi, verb go, the rest of the sentence, to the school by bus. Subject, she, he, it, verb goes, the rest of the sentence, to the school by bus. Next. The form of spelling the verb in the third person she, he, it, depending on the verb ending verb. Fixed for verb that and in the plus a consonant, drop the y and add es. Gary, carry, carries. Study, studies. Worry, worries. Marry, marries. Manual for verb that and in vowel plus a, just add s. Fly, flies. Say, says. Enjoy, enjoys. Next. Example of sentences. The following are examples of sentences that you can use. 1. To show a recurring event that is currently happening. I take the motorcycle to the office. The train to Bekasi leaves every horse. Gerald sleeps 7 hours every night during the week. 2. The social effect. The president of Indonesia is Joko Widodo. A snake has no legs. Indonesia has 34 provinces, from Sabang to Merauke. 3. To show a habit. Do I get up early at 5 o'clock every day? John takes a bath twice a day. Every year on Lebaran, most people travel to their hometown. Next. Kind of simple present tense sentence. Simple present tense affirmative. To form an affirmative sentence, the formula is subject plus verb 1 plus s or es plus object, or subject plus to be is, am, are plus object. Example of simple present tense. Susi Pujiastuti is the Ministry of Maritime Affairs and Fisheries. She reads Harry Potter books every day. They watch new movie every Sunday. Next. Simple present tense, negative. To form a simple negative present tense, usually ask the addition or done or doesn't before the verb, except to be and modal. The formula is subject plus done or doesn't plus verb 1 plus object. If the verb is to be, the formula becomes subject plus to be is am, are plus not plus adjective or adverb. Example of simple negative present tense. Susi Pujiastuti is not Ministry of Maritime Affairs and Fisheries. She doesn't read Harry Potter book every day. They don't watch new movie every Sunday. Not for the subject of the third form she, he, it. After the word don't, doesn't, the verb is not added s or es. Next. Simple present tense interrogative. To form an interrogative sentence or question sentence, usually use the addition of do or does in front of the sentence. The formula is as follows: do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. The word do is used when the subject is are you there? However, the word is used if the subject is in the third person she, he, it. Example of simple present tense interrogative. Does she read a Harry Potter book? Do they watch a new movie every day? Do you play basketball every morning? If the verb to be or modal, don't use the word do or does. Example, is Susi Pujiastuti the Ministry of Maritime Affairs and Fisheries? Are you now stock of Wall Street English? Are you football fans of Persija Jakarta? Next. Okay, and in this time, I will explain about simple past tense. Next, simple past tense is a tense sentence used to express event that occurred in the past and have ended in the past. In contrast to the past continuous tense, which states events that occurred in the past but still happening in the present. Simple past tense formula. To form a simple past tense sentence, the formula is false subject plus verb 2 plus object. In the simple past tense, the verb used is the second from the verb. Three are two types of verb, namely regular verb and irregular verb. For regular verb, add ad or d after the first from verb. As an example, stay, stayed. Punch, punched, play, played, touch, touched. For irregular verb, including to be, the verb form are very different. As an example, awoke, awoke, or awakened. Begin, began, drink, drank, eat, ate, run, run. Next. However, there are some irregular verbs that have the same verb form as the basic verb form. As an example, put, shoot, split, split, spread, spread, set, set, cut, cut. Example of simple past tense affirmative sentence. The following are example of simple past tense positive sentence. Abdul went to Bali for holiday last Sunday. She joined the English club class at school yesterday. Last Monday, the office. Danny bought new laptops last night. They watched Dylan the news movie at the cinema yesterday. Next. Example of simple past tense interrogative sentence. Past tense interrogative as follows: did plus subject plus program, or was or were plus subject. The following is an example of simple past tense question sentence. Did you see my bag on the table? Did the student come to school? Did you sleep enough last night? Did she deliver the pizza on time? Did they allow you to join their English club? Next. Okay, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.